All the smartphone brands are kind of in a competition that who can produce the best flagship and most accessible device in the world. Whether it's normal flagship device or gaming device, their intention is to surprise you through their innovation. If you're a businessman and you prefer classic design product, no worries, the companies have smart looking flagship device, and same goes for the gamers. As you have seen in last couple of years, so many flagship devices have been launched by Xiaomi and Asus. Today in this video I'll be talking about two latest gaming devices, which are Xiaomi Black Shark 3 Pro and other Asus ROG Phone 3. Basically, this will be a comparison video of these two devices, and I'll be comparing its major specification and feature and try to let you know which beast will be perfect for you for this 2020 and through which you can play games very smoothly. So this is Rokibul Hassan and you are watching Gadget Insider. Just simple request before starting, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Now without wasting time, let's get started. Let's talk about its design and build quality. Both of the phone have gaming looks, such as rainbow color lights, gaming accessible ports, cool gaming logo at the backside. Although I personally like Asus ROG logo rather than Xiaomi Black Shark. Both of the phone have bigger battery and display. For that reason, you have to compromise the weight. Although it's pretty okay for a gaming device of having little bit extra weight. Talking about display, both of the phones are having quite large display because it is necessary for having bigger display for playing games. If you consider the display size, Black Shark wins here because it is having 7.1-inch AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, which is 83.6% screen to body ratio with the resolution 1440 x 3220 pixel, and it is about 448 ppi density. On the other side, Asus ROG 3 is coming up with 6.59-inch AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, which does support 1 billion color. Means there is no other color that will not support here, and that's quite necessary because color reproduction must need to be there if you want to get high output. Display resolution Full HD with 19.5:9 ratio, which is 391 ppi density. Xiaomi clearly wins here in the display section because a gaming device display you need to judge through its size and quality, and both section Xiaomi has the bigger capacity. In terms of build quality, Xiaomi has hard and solid design because it has glass front, aluminum back and frame. If it drops, it will not break so easily. On the other side, Asus ROG 3 has glass front and back. Compared to Xiaomi Black Shark 3 Pro, it is more fragile. Both have dual SIM connectivity with 5G network connection. But in the internal option, I want to keep forward Asus ROG 3 because it has bigger storage and RAM option, which are up to 1TB at 12 and 16GB RAM. On the other side, Xiaomi has 512GB at 8GB and 12GB RAM option. A gaming device must need to have loud and clear sound system, and in this criteria both are pretty good because of having a stereo speaker. A gaming device does not usually focus on camera because these types of phones are not bought for photography purpose. Although nowadays people are looking for that because it is not possible to afford two different phones for two particular reasons. That's why smartphone brands are giving good camera setup in the gaming device. If I talk about Xiaomi Black Shark 3 Pro, it is having triple lens setup at the rear side, and these are 16 megapixel wide angle lens, 13 megapixel ultra wide lens and 5 megapixel depth sensor. At the front side it has 20 megapixel single selfie camera. For Asus ROG Phone 3, at the rear side it has dual lens camera setup, and these are respectively 64 megapixel wide angle lens, 13 megapixel ultra wide lens, and at the front side 13 megapixel single selfie camera. By its specification, Xiaomi clearly wins here, but as we all know, bigger megapixel doesn't make a camera better. Personally, I recommend don't buy gaming device for photography purposes because you'll not be satisfied through its camera performance. A gaming device performance need to be its level best. This is the most important criteria whereby you need to consider it very carefully before buying because it's all about CPU performance, which will consider your device gaming performance. But it's fortunate or unfortunate that nothing much to say here because both of the devices are sharing same processor. An American Qualcomm Snapdragon 765 chipset has been used here, which is enhanced 7nm process. As I have stated in many of my videos that this processor is the best processor that Android phones ever had. Means you play games or whatever you do, it will not gonna show any kinds of lagging while operating. Both of the phones' batteries are very good, all are massive and incredible. Xiaomi having 5000 mAh battery. On the other side, Asus ROG Phone 3 has 5800 mAh battery. Both has fast charging capability. Clearly by its capacity, Asus wins here and it will support you more during playtime. At the recommendation part, I just want to say both of the devices are at the level best and both nice and incredible. I must say from these two, if you choose any device, it will not gonna disappoint you, and both are very good for handling any types of high graphics related activities. Now it's your choice that which design and brands you prefer most. So guys, that was all about today. I hope the video was interesting and informative too. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to suggest something, suggest in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.